You don't want to what?
I want to sing.
You don't want Mama to sing? Oh, okay.
Yes, her husband is a photographer. Quite right. He returns from a distant land, but he is in pain. He is racked by a mysterious illness. Nonsense. My husband is in perfect health. A deadly illness from which no one ever recovers. The God is terrible.
I want to sing.
Huh?
That's it.
Don't sing. What you trying to say, homie? I can't sing? You don't like my singing? Oh, I suck, do I? Are you trying to say I suck? What you trying to say? You just nothing but a little man in a big man's world, homie.